Welcome back to another video, guys. I have
Noah.
Noah, what's today?
Today's prom day.
Special night, and we got a special car. Noah did not know that we'd be picking up in a Lamborghini. Not to mention it's a supercharged Lamborghini. We're about to head out right now, and we're just gonna get his reaction. You ready?
Yeah.
Sounds great, huh? Alright, man, let's head out. I look the same. Bye to everyone. You guys have a good night. I'll never get tired of that, man. So we have walkie-talkies. We're gonna attempt to communicate, but oh damn. What'd you think about that?
That's awesome.
That's awesome. I'll never get tired of that. Right now is not to get pulled over. We're not gonna lie, if we did get pulled over, those prom pics would be sick with the police. You wanna drive?
No. I don't trust myself with this thing.
So what do? You do any sports?
Yeah, I play baseball.
Alright, how do you like that?
It's pretty fun. I love it. I've played it all my life.
Oh, really? How long? 10 plus years?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. And you play for the school?
Yeah.
What position?
I play in the outfield, so just left and right.
Okay, that's sick, man. You're going to continue next year?
Yeah.
That's good. But then when I push it even harder, it keeps going.
This car is crazy.
Yeah, like I thought we were already maxing it out, but no, I pressed it a little bit slightly harder, and it pushed it even harder. Out of all the cars, which one's your favorite? Which one looks the best to you?
This one, 100%. I just love like not having a roof too as well.
It's cool, man. Especially the wrap, and then that wing.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So I hope the GoPro could see that wing, but that wing, there's only like less than 200 made. It came off a real race car.
That's awesome.
blow up the engine and just embarrass myself. It's a nice little area. Yeah, it's like a little country club. Everyone's playing golf. These walkie-talkies are so important. Like, I'm glad we got these so we can communicate instead of texting and stuff.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Oh, damn. Oh my god, I'm kind of nervous. I'm gonna embarrass you. So there's so many.
Oh, there's so many people.
There's so many people.
Wow.
There's an exit back over there.
I don't even want to do this, man. I don't like the attention. There's like more than 100 people. It looks like. Should I do it? Should I do it?
Nah, go for it.
Damn, everyone's recording you. Hey man, that was sick.
Thank you.
No